everyone, how is it going on this very wet Monday? I am excited for a new week, really. Wanted to talk a little bit about how a bookkeeper can help you grow your business. Believe it or not, having a bookkeeper is one of the very best things that you can do for your business. And the reason is simply that we take all of the stuff off of your plate that you probably didn't even really want to do to begin with, and we organize it for you. At least I organize it for you in my business, and we provide you with reports that you need to make intelligent decisions about your business. I am going to talk about this like a lot because it is so important. People keep telling me things like, well, you know, I don't really need a bookkeeper, and I just kind of, that is entirely their choice. But really, the ones that say that they don't need them are the ones most in need of one. You need a bookkeeper. If you're serious about your business, you need a bookkeeper. If you want to grow your business, you need a bookkeeper. It doesn't matter what kind of business you have. Even if you're just in direct sales through multi-level marketing, if you're serious about growing your business, you need a bookkeeper to take care of your financial transactions. Make sure that you know what's going on. I mean, obviously we're not going to spend your money for you. And I certainly don't want even access to spend your money for you. But isn't it nice to always have a solid handle on where your money is going? What are you spending your money on? Again, I'm going to kind of bring up what I call the latte factor. If you are a Starbucks person, you'd love to go to Starbucks. A venti anything is about $5. And that doesn't sound like a lot. I mean, $5, I have $5 in my purse, right? But let's say you go every day and you get a latte or a coffee, and it's $5 for the coffee and a muffin, and oh, it's been a really long day, so I'm going to go back and get something else. Well, $15 a day over 30 days. Before you know it, or even $10 a day, we'll kind of split the difference. That's $300 a month. That gets to be a fair amount of money. It adds up fast. Now, if you have the money and you don't have other places that you want to put your money, I never say that I can't afford anything, by the way. I always say that that's not really where I wanted to spend my money. And I try to be very thoughtful about where I spend my money. I'm not always successful, but like everyone else, I make impulse purchases. But for the most part, I think about, I only have so much money right now. Where is that money best utilized? Is it at Starbucks? Is it, you know, $1 a drink every time I want a drink at the soda fountain? Or is it better to? I'm a Diet Coke drinker. I get picked on a lot for that. Is it better to just buy a case of Diet Coke and for, you know, a couple of dollars and be able to drink it as much as I want? Is it better to just, ideally, the better thing would be to drink water out of the tap because it's free and it's better for you anyway. But it's just kind of paying attention to the cost of things, and not just the cost at the time of purchase, but the overall cost as things go on. An example of this, I have a daughter that's about to turn 16. Horrors. I'm kind of nervous. She is excited to buy her first car, which I'm excited for her. What she doesn't realize, but I already know, is that car ownership costs a lot more than a car payment. Car payment is just the tip of the iceberg. Then she's got to have full coverage insurance, and she needs to pay for gas and maintenance, and she's peeking over at me going, Mom, what are you talking about? Gas and maintenance and repairs and all the things that kind of go in with owning a car. And it's not a $200 car payment. It's probably closer to $500 a month by the time we factor in gas, oil, maintenance, insurance, and it can be even higher than that, as anyone with a more expensive car knows. It's just these things that kind of add in. If you're not aware of where your money goes, then you don't have enough information to make good decisions, especially on your bigger purchases. The biggest reason a bookkeeper is going to help you grow your business is that you can take your attention off of the day-to-day grunt work. I keep telling people this. I can do in half an hour what it will take most people 2 hours to do, because this is my job. This is what I do. This is, when you do something 40 hours a week for years and years, you get kind of good at it, hopefully. So I keep telling people I can do it faster, even if I don't know what you spent the money on. It's faster to have me do the data entry and have me make sure everything is categorized correctly, and then talk to you about any transactions that I don't know about. It ends up taking up less of your time. It's also going to take up less of my time, and you need to leverage your time so that you can grow your business. And that is the biggest thing that I see people, especially here in Utah. Utah is like the do-it-yourself state capital of the world. Everything themselves. And if you own if you have a job and you don't care, if you get a salary and you get paid the same amount and you're not in that growth mode like entrepreneurs are, and I'm not bashing anyone that has a job, then you may not care as much. But if you need to maximize every hour in your day, you need to spend those hours doing the things that only you can do. Only you can grow your business. Only you can make those decisions. But you don't have to do your books. You don't have to, only you can spend time with your kids. You are not the only person that can do your bookkeeping. Let someone else take care of it. Pricing is really incredibly affordable. People kind of cringe when they think about spending more money, but really, pricing on bookkeeping is very affordable. I've talked before about the different roles that people have in the accounting industry. Bookkeepers are the least expensive option because we're not paying back a student loan. We don't have that top-down view like a CPA would have. You need to make sure that you're utilizing different professionals in the accounting industry properly so that, one, you get the most effective use of your money, the most effective use of your time. For the day-to-day grunt work, I always recommend a bookkeeping company such as mine. I also have another one that I refer business to. And for the top-down view and for tax preparation, there are professionals that specialize in those areas. But it all, bookkeeping is really the foundation that everything rests on. So that's just me ranting on why you need a bookkeeper again. I am going to sign off. You guys have a wonderful evening.